Let's take a look here now at Google Meet scenario 2. Florencio is using Google Meet to host remote video meetings for his team of counselors. With each meeting, he enables the chat function so meeting attendees can have a text back channel for which to communicate during the meeting without interrupting. In addition, he enables screen share so attendees can share reports with the group. Because he helps with yard duty after school, there are days when he joins these meetings via the Gmail mobile app. In the Gmail mobile app, Google Meet is integrated with most of the same features as the computer. When it comes to setting up these meetings, Florencio schedules them in Google Calendar, invites attendees to the event, and enables Google Meet video call so the link is embedded into their calendars. Let's take a look here by starting a Google Meet and going over some of the features that Florencio is using with Google Meet. So one of the ways he does this is by enabling the chat. So over here on the bottom right here, the host controls, you can determine whether or not the people in your meeting can share their screen and or if they're chatting. So if I turn these off, the people in my meeting cannot do this. Only the host, me the host, can do that. So I want to leave these turned on if I want attendees to be able to share screen and send chat messages. So to share the screen, attendees would click right here where it says present now, and then they could choose either to share one tab, an entire browser window, or their entire screen, which means anything on their computer can be shared. It does not have to be in Chrome. Over here on the bottom right here, it says chat with everyone. This is where they would send a chat. And this is good for having a text back channel so the attendees don't have to interrupt the speaker and maybe get some feedback and responses from their fellow attendees. Another way Florencio is using Google Meet is through the mobile app. So if we take a look here, the Google Meet mobile app looks like this using the actual Gmail app. So this is what it would look like on your phone. Whether you have an Android or an iPhone, it's the same either way. The very bottom of your app here, you see these different buttons here. The default one is Mail. You have Chat. You have Spaces, and right here is Meet. So when you click on Meet, it will look something like this. You have a button up here where you can start a new meeting or you can join with a code. If you have scheduled meetings, they will then show up here. So Florencio has been scheduling his meetings using Google Calendar. So let's take a look here how that looks. So if I open up Calendar here, what will happen here if I go to Create and I go to More Options, we'll call this Counselor. I click right here. It says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. And then what's going to happen here, all I have to do is add people here. And when we save this, the people who have been added on here will then they'll receive an email saying they've been invited to this event. It will show up on the calendar. I'll click it here, click send. So when they open up the meeting, they will see this button right here, and they will be able to join easily. They can do this also from their phone as well, using the Google Calendar mobile app as well. Will also give them access to this, so they can then join via their phone or with their computer.